Hello, guys, and welcome to Mindset Hustle. This is your boy Moses, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make consistent amounts of um, let me say Ripple, okay, and withdraw straight to my Binance exchange account. So in the previous video, or in the last two videos, I showed you how you can also make free Ripple for yourself. And you can see right here, this is the video I said how to earn free Ripple, okay? And I did live withdrawal on that particular video. Today, I'm going to show you how I make consistently some more Ripples for myself on this website for free, okay? And I withdraw it to my wallet live, and I'm going to do the same in this video. I'm going to show you how you can withdraw. So as you can see currently here, I have some amount of drops that I'm going to convert to Ripple and withdraw straight to my Binance account. But before then, I'm going to show you how you can earn more of this particular free Ripple daily on daily basis. Okay, guys. Now, before we dive into the full video, if this is your first time here on Mindset Hustle, guys, do well to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon. Okay, don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon, boys and girls, women and men. Okay, so guys, if you also like the video we are bringing you guys, do well to like this video, and also don't forget to share it with your friends. Okay, so now let's dive right into the video. So this is the website. So I'll leave a link to the website in the description of this video. You can create your free account. Once you create your account, you get some free drops. Okay, you call the points drops. Okay, you get some free drops for yourself that you can even withdraw straight to your Binance account or your Trust wallet or wherever you want to withdraw it to. Okay, now because of the kind of regulations that Ripple have, if you withdraw to your Trust wallet, your token will be lost, because you need to have about 20 Ripples. Okay, 20 Ripples before, if you withdraw to your Trust wallet, you can see your token. But you can withdraw it to your Binance no matter the quantity of Ripple you have. Even if it's a small amount of Ripple, you can withdraw it to your Binance and you see it in your Binance account that you can convert to USDT or any other token, or you can hold the Ripple, and once the Ripple price increases, you make more gains. Guys, this is free. Okay, this is free. So you just come here. Okay, once after I register, okay, if you want to make more money on this side, come to where they say tax. Okay, come here where they say task. Or first of all, you can also come down here. Okay, let me show you. You can come down here where they said account information, blah blah blah. Okay, then you can copy your referral link, so that any of your friends that sign up, you get 5,000 points. Okay, that you can convert to to drops. Okay, and currently, as at this time that I'm making this video, this is the conversion rate. Okay, point conversion rate per for the drops. Okay, all right. Now, right now, I want to make some more drops before I withdraw to my Binance. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm coming to this tab where they say task. Okay, and I like this one. Okay, I don't care about these guys. All these guys, they waste my time. All I need is this guy here, visit sites. Okay, so you just click on visit sites, then just this one is an AdSense ad. You just close this. Okay, click on it to close it. That is how they also make the money that they are using to pay you guys. Okay, so forget about that ad, concentrate on the task. Okay, it's free of charge. So here you can see you can make some free reports for some 125 points by just visiting. You click on visit website. So I'm coming to do some series right here on this video. So as I wait for the site to load, so here you can see this advertisement comes here. Okay, right. Then these guys, if you are not on my channel, on my Telegram channel. Do well. I'll leave a link to the channel in the description of this video. Do well to join the channel, because I will be putting more information right on that channel. Already there are a lot of information there that you can use to make some money for yourself. So you can see this counter is counting. So we have 1 second. So you can now close that site and you click on view more site, and your point what will be added over here. So you can see 150 points. That's what we have we've got it right now. Okay. So right now, based on the exchange rate of the points to drops, we are having 142 drops. So we can come down here and see the current exchange rate for the points. Okay, why is that? Conversion. Okay, we are on the task menu. So when we are done, we go to the dashboard and we can check. So I want to earn more. So every day, at least, I spend about 15 to 30 minutes just doing this, clicking this thing, and I earn more. And once I'm satisfied, I just withdraw my earnings to my Binance account. As you can see, within 5 seconds, it's gone. You can close. Then you come here, click view more. See, the faster you do it, they'll ask you to do some capture, this thing, how they call it, some capture review, to be sure that you are not a robot. Okay, so after every 5 minutes, this point will be automatically exchanged to this estimated amount of drops, and to be added to my balance over here. Okay, so as we start, it's not yet up to 5 minutes, so I'll just do more of this. Okay, so guys, this is how simple you can do this thing. See, the timer is counting 5 seconds. You close this, and see, this is just a way of earning some small ripple, gathering them every day. If you can do this for 15 to 30 minutes with your phone or your PC, maybe that time that you will be using to watch TikTok videos and so on, that doesn't pay you anything, you can use it to do these things and earn some. Even if it is cent, if you convert that cent, if you're in Ghana here, you know that you and I know that a dollar is very expensive. Dollar to CD rate is very expensive. So just imagine you're able to do this, and even it add up to what, a dollar that is about almost 8 Ghana cedis. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, you know how much a dollar to naira is currently. So guys, these are opportunities that you can use to earn what, free money on the internet. Okay, these are opportunities that you can use to earn free money on the internet. So for excuse me, for those of you that are new, okay, just visit one more site, okay, before I go on to the next thing I want to talk about. Okay, so that is that's a few more, so that you can see the point tally will increase. So just right now, right in front of you guys here, live here, you can see I just made about 522 drops. Okay, and it will be added to this balance here after 5 minutes. Okay, now, so which means that even as I'm doing this, it's not even up to 5 minutes. So just imagine by 5 minutes time, if I continue visiting more websites, you can see that I'll be accumulating more and more and more. Last time, within like 2 minutes, I was able to accumulate more than 2,000 drops. Okay, I was able to accumulate more than 2,000 drops within 2 minutes. So guys, these are free opportunities. Don't be lazy, engage on them. Okay, now if you are new, what you need to understand is that for you to be able to do what, for you to be able to how do I put it, for you to be able to withdraw, you need to set your you need to set your withdrawal your withdrawal address. Okay, so that's why you come to your account here, you go to your wallet session, then you go to your Binance account, you copy your Ripple address, and you copy the tag destination, and then so you paste your Ripple address here, and you paste the the destination tag over here. So let me quickly log into my Binance account, and let me show you how you go about it. Okay, so I'm just going to log into my Binance account right now, right here on I'll show you how you do that quickly. And then after that, I'll do live withdrawal in front of you here. And then you will see that withdrawal hit right into my my Binance account. So if you don't have a Binance account, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. You can create a Binance account, verify it, and then trade your various cryptocurrencies on it. So I'm coming to just do this. So I'm logging in on my phone, so that I'll just scan this code to automatically log in without any password. All right. Okay, so as you can see, confirm, logging in now. All right, so here we are in my account. So I'm going to go to my dashboard, wait for this to load well, for the site to load well. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I'm giving everything live here so that I know that this is working. But quick disclaimer, okay, quick disclaimer. This is what, this is not a financial advice. It's just something I found very interesting and very helpful, and I'm putting it out there for educational purposes. You can also try it for yourself and see if it works for you. If it works for you, fair enough, make some free money for yourself. Okay. Good. So let's go to my wallet. Let's go to deposit, fiat, and spot, so that we can do some, see how we can make some deposits. So even though we are in the bear market in the crypto system, you should understand that there are other ways that you can earn free money for yourself. And guys, please don't always hold tokens on your Binance account. Always, as you buy the token, move them to your Trust wallet. I don't hold tokens here. This token you are seeing here, I'll be moving them out very soon. Okay, I just didn't move them yet. That's why they are still here. Always make sure. So if you come, for instance, let me just show you quickly. If you come to, what is that, transactions here, you will see that I always do withdrawals, because I don't keep, once I buy my token, I move it out, because Binance is a centralized exchange. So anything can happen at any time, but your Trust wallet, your Atomic wallet, those wallets are decentralized. So if you keep your funds there, unless you yourself, you give out your 12 phrase to somebody, they cannot take your money. So you can see I do a lot of what deposits and what withdraw. So I think this side is the deposit side. Let's go to the withdrawal session. So withdrawal. So when you go to withdrawal, I mean the network is a bit slow. So you can see I do a lot of what withdrawals. I don't keep my money or my tokens in the wallet. This is a security tip I'm giving you. Anything can happen any day, because they can choose to suspend your account. It is a centralized exchange. It's not decentralized. So keep it in mind. All right. So let's go back to the reason why I brought you guys here. So let's go to the account. Then how you copy your address and go and paste it there. So let's say we want to withdraw repo. Okay, want to withdraw repo. So you come here, deposit, click on deposit, select coin. Okay, it's already selected. Repo is already there. If it's not there, you click on select coin and then you select it. Then network, you select repo. Okay, SRP. You click on that. Then what are you going to do? You are going to, they say both address and Momo are required. The Momo is the same as what the tag. Okay, so you click on OK. Then to reveal it to you. So guys, those of you that feel like sending me some repo, this is my address here. You can do it, or you can scan this code and send me some repo token. Okay. And this is the code for the address. This is the code for what? The memo. And this is the code for what? The address. All right. So what you are going to, you click here to copy your address. Then you come to your account. Then you paste your address right here. Okay, you paste your address here. Then you go back to the same place, you copy your memo, which is the same as the tag. Here they say tag is the same as the memo. You paste it here and then you click change wallet. But already it's the same thing, as you can see. It's the same address. That's my Binance address here. So you can see that. So guys, once you do that, click on change, and this will be what will be set. Now to withdraw your funds, you go back to your dashboard. Okay. So by this time, I'm sure my points. Okay, so you can see the points are no longer here, and you can see this value here has changed. Okay, so it means it has been what? It has been added to what? To my balance. What am I going to do? I want to what? Cash out to my Binance. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is to click on withdraw, then to ask all account balance will be sent to your repo account. I'll click on what? Yes. So once I do that, I'll just wait. They say payment has been sent. Click OK, and then you wait patiently for it to hit your Binance account. Okay, so because this, I want to do everything live for you here to see that everything is working perfectly well. I'm just going to wait a few minutes, and you see that I'll receive my repo right here in my account. Okay, I'm going to receive my repo in my account right here on this live recording. Okay, on this video session. So guys, don't be lazy. Once you get some free time, just earn some points for yourselves, okay, which will now be converted towards your drop, and then you withdraw it, and once you withdraw it, they'll convert. So you can see that my drop is what is now 0.0, and you can see my total requested payout is what 2. Okay, which today is what is inclusive. The first one I did was the day I did the first video showing you how you can earn from this website. You can earn free crypto from this website. So let's go back and see if we have received. There's a notification. You can see deposit successful. You have deposited 0.02869 repo. So our 20, if you click here, you can click there for the message to expand global. You just go here to transaction history, and you can see that right now. So as you can see, they are paying. So you can try them and see. As I said, this is not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just speculative video about what I am doing that is working for me. You can also try it, or you can choose to ignore it. All is left over to you. So you can see deposit right now. Here you can see deposit repo. Sorry, repo deposit 0.028. Okay, so approximately the 28,600 and something drops is equivalent to 0.028 repo. So right now, if I go to my fiat dashboard, you can see that my total amount of repo there have changed, because that's my SRP. So here you can see at first the balance was less than this. Okay, so what we have here is equivalent to this. Okay, so it will surprise that you can be doing this thing for like some month, and you gather a lot of SRP for yourself. This one I don't even do it every day. Okay, and because I have busy schedules, but the little ones that I get time to do are yielding for me. All right. Okay, and you can even convert this to what? You can just click here and click convert small balances to BNB, and you convert this to what? BNB, to accumulate more BNB for yourself. But I want my repo to be there. I will continue accumulating more from this website. So guys, if this is your first time here on Mindset Hustle, do well to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon, that anytime we release a new video, you'll be notified that Mindset Hustle has released a new video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye from my end.